To accurately identify non-sheet metal screws, one can use several methods. Firstly, perform a visual inspection. Sheet metal screws typically have a flat or countersunk head. Other types of self-tapping screws may have a hex, button, or oval head. Secondly, look at the thread pattern. Sheet metal screws usually have a type A thread pattern, which is fine and sharp. Other screws may have a type B thread pattern, which is coarser and less sharp. Thirdly, examine the tip type. Sheet metal screws typically have a self-piercing tip, while other screws may have a blunt or pointed tip. Another approach is a physical inspection. Sheet metal screws are usually not magnetic, as they are made of stainless steel or aluminum, while most other types of screws are magnetic. Sheet metal screws are also relatively lightweight compared to other types of screws. It's important to note that not all self-tapping screws are sheet metal screws. Sheet metal screws are a specific type of self-tapping screw designed for thin metal sheets. Regarding screw diameter and true metal continuity, while 10/32 screws are commonly used as sheet metal screws and can provide sufficient metal-to-metal continuity, the diameter of the screw does not guarantee a true connection. The screw must be properly sized and tightened to establish a good electrical path. For field approaches and tips, one could use a continuity tester. Connect the continuity tester between the screw and the metal surface to verify the connection. One should inspect the screw head, looking for any damage or deformation that may indicate improper tightening. Also, one needs to check for proper hole size. Ensure that the hole for the screw is the correct size for the screw diameter. It is recommended to use a torque wrench. Tighten the screws to the specified torque to ensure a secure connection, while avoiding over-tightening because over-tightening can strip the screw or damage the metal surface. Always consult the manufacturer's instructions for the specific application and screw requirements.